Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have something special for all you indoor gardeners out there. We'll be taking a close look at the Zazzy 3x3 Grow Tent, which is gaining a lot of attention in the indoor gardening community. This right here is the Zazzy 3x3 Grow Tent, and let me tell you, it's quickly becoming known as the best 3x3 grow tent on the market. Whether you're a seasoned grower or just starting out, this tent has got you covered. First off, the Zazzy Grow Tent is made of top-quality materials. It features a heavy-duty, all-steel frame that can handle at least 110 pounds of equipment. The tent's 95% reflective mylar lining enhances your lighting setup's efficiency, providing optimal conditions for your plants to thrive. One of my favorite features is the observation window. It makes it easy to check on your plants without disturbing their environment. Assembly is a breeze. You don't need any special tools, and even if you've never set up a grow tent before, the user-friendly instructions have you covered. Let me show you just how easy it is to set up this grow tent. The package includes everything you need, and the frame assembles smoothly, ensuring a sturdy and safe environment for your plants. Now, let's talk about the size. This 3x3 grow tent offers ample space for your indoor garden. You can comfortably grow multiple plants, flowers, fruits, and vegetables all year round. Check this out. Their removable and waterproof floor tray makes cleaning a breeze. It keeps soil and fallen leaves contained, ensuring a clean and organized grow space. Some users have expressed concerns about light leaks in grow tents. With the Zazzy Grow Tent, I can tell you that I didn't find any significant light leaks. However, if you ever encounter minor leaks, a small piece of duct tape can easily solve the issue. Proper ventilation is crucial for healthy plant growth. The Zazzy Grow Tent provides adjustable duct ports for accommodating filters and fans, ensuring optimal airflow for your plants. Now, here's the best part, the price. The Zazzy 3x3 Grow Tent offers exceptional value for money. You're getting a high-quality, durable tent without breaking the bank. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a 3x3 grow tent that delivers on quality, convenience, and affordability, the Zazzy Grow Tent should be at the top of your list. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced growers, and it provides the ideal environment for your indoor plants to flourish. If you found this review helpful and informative, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and gardening tips. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your experiences with the Zazzy Grow Tent, leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in. Feel free to adapt and customize this script to match your style and preferences for your YouTube video. Good luck with your review, and I hope it helps your viewers make an informed decision about the Zazzy Grow Tent.